It's done just you good. It's done just yeah, done just you. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like me, then chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. I so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, and so they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer. 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 Answer. Bossa, libido. Lego sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. Till I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to one he console. Anything you wish me.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time. Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey, the burning, the dust, the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the big road, but time is sit down in a class and we put that only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Jump up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, all dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I just shut down, saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. You're falling on the man. Me have to come back for the journey, the burning.
Okay, pause, because this thing is driving me crazy. I just bought these shower curtains for City Trends. They were on sale. It's only $5, and there are no hoops or am I bugging out? Okay, this is where the hoops are supposed to be, the holes. There's no hole. There's no holes. What the there's absolutely no holes, guys. How am I gonna hang this up? And it's so nice and cute. It's white with a little gold reflex in there. There's nowhere to hang The hooks. What the heck? So y'all, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I think I'm gonna just have to make holes. Let me try this out because this is so annoying. I know that you can buy the little clothing hole puncher, but I am not about to buy that just to put up a shower curtain, because when am I ever going to use that again? I'm not a clothing maker type of person. So that is so annoying. Like, there's literally nothing. I would take it to my mom because my mom's a seamstress, but I need to get my house clean today, and I'm not. Look at that. I'm just gonna cut it with some scissors. I'm just gonna line it up. I'm gonna line it up with this thing and just poke holes through it, because what else am I to do? So here's the liner, you know, the little plastic liner. I'm just gonna try at least to cut a hole through it. Like that. There's that. Let's see if it works. I know it's gonna work because my little hook. It is what it is. There you go. A little remix. Okay, this is getting more difficult. Kitchen knife it is. What the freak? I literally just cut the entire thing and I almost hurt my nail. Look, it's cut. I cut both of them. All right, let me just slow down. I'm probably better off going to get that little hole puncher thing, because I'm about to rip this whole thing up. So I finally got it done. Ended up having to use a knife. I'm tired. I'm going to take a break from cleaning, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Anyways, I'm taking a break. I'm about to change the bed sheets later, so I'm eating a little breakfast, corn dog, pancake sausage. I'm about to watch a video on YouTube, because I think a lot of people that I watch have posted over the last few days, so I'm gonna catch up on that. I am gonna try to wash this microlinks, but we'll see. And yeah, happy Saturday. I haven't had one of these in so long.
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, shadow. And if you go and shadow, shadow. And if you go and shadow, shadow. And if you go and shadow, 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 shadow. And if you go and shadow, shadow. And if you go and shadow, shadow. And if you go and shadow, 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 shadow. I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you remain, you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of our life. shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow.
You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to say no. You broke it down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold